The Garmin Forerunner 975 is poised to be a significant advancement in Garmin's lineup of GPS running watches, building upon the success of its predecessors with anticipated enhancements in health monitoring, connectivity, and user convenience. Anticipated release timeline. Based on Garmin's historical release patterns, such as the Forerunner 955 in June 2022 and the 965 in March 2023, the Forerunner 975 is expected to debut in the second half of 2025. This projection aligns with industry insights, suggesting a mid to late 2025 launch window. Expected features and enhancements. 1. Advanced heart monitoring with ECG support. The Forerunner 975 is anticipated to incorporate the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, offering enhanced accuracy and the addition of electrocardiogram (ECG) capabilities. This feature would enable users to monitor heart rhythms and detect conditions like atrial fibrillation (AFib), aligning the device with other high-end wearables in the market. 2. Solar charging integration. Building on the solar charging capabilities introduced in the Forerunner 955, the 975 is expected to reintroduce this feature, potentially overcoming previous limitations associated with AMOLED displays. This advancement would cater to endurance athletes seeking extended battery life during prolonged activities. 3. Wireless charging convenience. Addressing user feedback regarding proprietary charging cables, the Forerunner 975 may adopt Qi wireless charging technology, as seen in Garmin's VivoMove trend. This shift would enhance user convenience by allowing compatibility with standard wireless. 4. LTE connectivity for enhanced independence. The reintroduction of LTE connectivity, last seen in the Forerunner 945 LTE, is anticipated in the 975 model. This feature would enable real-time tracking, messaging, and music streaming without the need for a paired smartphone, offering greater autonomy during workouts. 5. Built-in LED flashlight. Following the inclusion of LED flashlights in Garmin's Fenix and Instinct series, the Forerunner 975 is expected to feature a built-in flashlight, enhancing visibility and safety during low-light conditions. 6. Size variations for broader appeal. To accommodate a wider range of users, particularly those with smaller wrists, the Forerunner 975 may be available in multiple size options, addressing previous concerns about the bulkiness of certain models. Community expectations and considerations. The Forerunner 975 is generating significant anticipation among fitness enthusiasts and athletes, particularly for its potential to integrate advanced health monitoring features like ECG, enhanced connectivity through LTE, and user-friendly charging options. However, prospective buyers should consider the projected release timeline and evaluate whether current models meet their immediate needs or if waiting for the 975's launch aligns better with their preferences. Conclusion. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be a comprehensive upgrade, potentially offering a suite of features that cater to both performance-focused athletes and health-conscious users. With anticipated advancements in heart monitoring, charging convenience, and connectivity, the 975 could set a new standard in the GPS running watch segment upon its expected release in the latter half of 2025.